Welcome back, guys, to another video. Yes, I'm wearing the t-shirt. Yeah, we're brand new. So, got one I looked at yesterday. I didn't record it because just didn't have time. It's overheating, so I suspect it's a faulty thermostat because the heating's all messing up as well. So I'm going to be doing that job. I've done this job on a video before, so I probably won't record that so much. But we have a terrible engine knocking noise. Sounds top end. I'll quickly start it up and then hopefully you can hear it. 2 seconds. You hear that? What I did was went round with a screwdriver, put the ear on it, and on the near side at the top got a much louder high-pitched noise. It also has a blow, which I'll show you. So yeah, we've got thermostat to do. It's pretty easy. It sounds like manifold gaskets or something like that. There's a lot of soot around as well, and obviously we've got a knocking noise we need to look at, so I'm going to do the thermostat, get it out of the way and done, and then we're going to whip the cover off the top and have a look, check all the rolls and everything, check we're not got any problems there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and let's see what we can find. For anyone that is new, hasn't seen the video, go and check it out. There's a video of the thermostat replacement we've done before. If you want to know quickly, that out there, these ringer bolts out. I think that is it. I think there's plugs on the back here as well. That will just come off there, but it's pretty simple. Pull all that off. Maybe I'll show you when I get it off. I'll probably time lapse getting this off. Maybe we can have a look at the manifold gaskets there, that side. So I'll time lapse the rest of this. And yeah, let's get cracking. So all I did with this, literally just got a little screwdriver, took it out. So that's that out there. I'm going to get that out there. It's still here, it's a bit of a bugger. I'll normally just get like a flat blade screwdriver and just split it halfway round. We'll replace that, here. We're going to replace the oil temperature coolant temperature sensor. We're going to do that as well. I'll show you that where that's located. I'll show you that. So that is located just there. So that's where that is. So we're going to split that and then we'll crack on. So new thermostat in. I've got the new sealing ring in. The old one's on the bench, knocked it out. It's a bit of a pain to get out, but I think my intentions now is to clean all this up on a good surface. We've got a new O-ring to go on. So I'll put all that back on and start putting it back together. That was the water pump done. Thermostat, sorry. Not a bad job. That's what it looked like when they come out, so yeah, not the greatest, but that's that done. I think now I want to whip that cover off and we'll have a look at these cams and everything and see if we can see anything obvious before I put water in it and run it up again. It's cold as well, so it's an ideal time to check it. So let's whip that cover off and have a look and see if we can actually find something as to why this is knocking its tits off. So I've got the cover off. I've just had a quick look off camera, and I think may have found our problem. Look at that cam, the roller there. Damn! That is buggered, and it's seized up as well. So that is our problem. That's not even moving, and it's fucked the cam as well. Sorry for my language. Let's F the cam up. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and get on camera. Can you see there? Here. It's damaged the cam. Roller's seized. So yeah, it's so I'm just having a look. 2 seconds. But that isn't even moving, and there's little, but that isn't a great look. Not great at all. Thing is, all that's going to be doing is damaging that cam. There's some markings on this one. Markings, don't know if you can see it there. Markings here. So yeah, we're looking at a not very good job here. This is going to be there's a good chance it's probably damaged the lobes on the cam as well. I'm assuming. I don't 100% know, but if that's not moving, there's a good chance it could be damaged itself. So yeah, it's not looking great. I'm just going to further look round, and then we'll come back to you. So yeah, I've had another look round. There is a few more bits that are damaged. I can't remember which one I found. There's a little bit of pitting and damage there, a bit there, and there as well, obviously. Yeah, so it's going to have damaged the cam. It's going to have damaged the lobes. Definitely that lobe on that one. You can see there. I don't know if I can get it to zoom in. There. Damage there. So yeah, it's one of them things. So we're gonna, obviously we've got to get prices and stuff like that, so hopefully it'll be a job that we can do some filming on and show the progress of it and everything like that. So I've got another truck now. All I'm gonna do is put the rocker back on. I need to fill it back up with coolant. I'm just gonna box it for now, and we'll leave this one here. I can't do anything at the minute, so I've got another one to look at quickly. Is red engine warning light and everything like that. So we're gonna plug that in, have a look. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some we'll get some content out of this as well. So yeah, there you go. So we're on another one now. We're just gonna plug this one in. It had a red engine warning light. Driver said lost power, wouldn't run right or anything like that. So we're going to plug it in and have a quick look and see what we can find. This is just a day of problems at the minute. So this is the faults we've got. All inactive at the minute. Sorry. Injection rail, pressure sensor, high voltage short circuits, positive. Circuit 1, boost pressure sensor fault, cylinder 4, cylinder 6, and protection. We have got a lot of water sensor and fuel high voltage, pressure control and injection rail value too low. So I think the only best thing I can do is, because we've got so many faults, I'll be looking here. That's 35 occurrences for that. Cylinder 6, the cylinder contribution to engine performance is low. So I'm just going to go into the engine and have a look and see we can do any tests. So I've just had a look a little bit more into it. The pressure sensor on the fuel rail. We've got some figures here I'm going to have a look at to check them values and see if they correspond to what they need to be. So if we go back, I'm going to take a picture of that quickly actually. So I've looked at these values here. Let's say for example, so I might be getting this wrong, hopefully I'm not. Pressure sensor on the injection rail, so at 1050 should be 672 bar, right? So let's go to 1050. Well, that's 860. So let me just, fuel pressure on injection rail, .672. Well, that's a lot more than what 1250 should be 741 bar. So that's 1250. That's 1060 bar. It's like, that's like 400 more. So I really need to look into this a little bit more, get my information right. But if it's going on them values, range of values there, that's way high. That's way higher than it should be. Let's go for 650. Happy with 650 there. So we should be 375. So I need double. Let's go back quickly. Sorry, I'm not going to keep you too long, boys and girls. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we're frozen. Injection rail pressure is too high, voltage too high. The cylinder contribution to the engine performance is too high, the cylinder contribution is too low. So we've got a too high there on 4. Value too low. Yeah, I'm going to ask a little bit more into it, but we could have a fault with the injection, the pressure sensor on the rail, and that's causing the numbers to be a lot higher than what it is. So I'm going to end this video here, and yeah. So sorry, it's a bit scatty, it's a bit everywhere. If anyone's got any idea, please drop in the comments and let me know. I'm going to find out a little bit more about it. But going from the figures that I had for what it should be, whether them figures are right for this, I'm not sure. They're a lot higher than what they should be. So it's something I need to look into. Obviously I've got quite a lot of faults there. Is it a case of I clear it, road test it, see if it comes back on again? But we've obviously got we've got no fault one at the minute. I'll just quickly show you. Nothing on there at the minute, so it might be a case of I clear it and road test it and see if we can get it to come back on. But we've got a lot of faults there. So to end this video, we've got hopefully a cam job that we're going to be doing. We've diagnosed the knock-in and everything like that. Did a thermostat, which was pretty easy. Obviously we've had that before. and then we've obviously got this red engine warning light now that I need to look into. So plenty of to come, plenty of work, hopefully something different to what I usually do, which is nice to have something different, a bit more technical and everything like that. So drop in the comments if you have anything idea about this sort of thing. Obviously I've got a lot of faults there, but am I on the right path with the measurements and everything like that? So drop in a comment and let me know. I hope you're all having a great week. I'm trying to get out as many videos as I can, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. If you haven't already, you can think about subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one.